today we taking these 2 pigs to the processor. It should have been 3, but she out running around somewhere, so we gonna get these 2 in here today. But for right now, we got the trailer set up. We gonna just see how we gonna get these 2 in here. And what they usually do is, I put some feed in there, and we're gonna watch them come out of there and go into here like 1, 2, 3.
So what he did was put a feeder that the pigs are used to inside of the cage, and as you see, he's just slowly giving them feed and drawing them inside of the cage. Now this one is out. You know, if he in the cage too, never know. So of course they're curious, but of course pigs like to eat. All right. Alright, we got one in. Oh, I was trying to put it, I was going to put some in the feed because he was starting to go there. Alright, so we got one in, but we have one that's very hesitant and very cautious at this time. So now he is learning with some chocolate goodies. It's on. So he put an extra board down to see if that's what it was, making her scared to climb up. Feeder out there. Alright. Successful.
We did that, man. And that's how it's done. That's how that thing done, bro.
The little one's going for the ride.
Yeah, he just gonna go for the ride, see where the future end up at, you know? We got these 2 on there. So this is how it looks from taking it from the farm to the table. So this is on their way to the processor. Little baby one here, might take him out, but he might can just ride because it ain't nothing to it but to do it. But so yeah, that's how it's done right there. We got 2 of them. That's about 300, 350 pounds of meat right there. Perhaps 400. We're gonna see.
gas station stop, and they got a little water.
Yo, we had to get some gas for this ride out here, man. But yo, this is how it goes. And this is how it looks. Farm to the table, this is the processing ride. Yo, so this is how it goes. Like, we're on the way to a certified USDA processor to get this meat processed. And so it's like the only way you can sell it legally is to people is if it's processed from a USDA certified processor. That's it. So, you know, right now we're just on the way there, and they kind of like few and far between to find them, but they are around. So as a homesteader, farmer, raising your own food, and you want to sell it for profit, you search out in your area which areas is where there is a processor that can process your meat. These people that I go to, they put your logo on it. You come up with a logo, and they process it and have your own brand name on the meat that's coming from your farm. And so that's how it starts. You just gotta have some animals, have to feed them good, you know, give them love. And then after that, it's time for their day to go. You know how to take them. And as you can see, like, loading them up, sometimes it can be kind of difficult getting a pig in the trailer. But at the same token, you give them what they want and they give you what you want. Don't, like, force them in there. Just let them walk in there. So, and then as you can see, I'm using a 6x10 trailer that I rigged up something to be able to carry pigs. So the Rockstar Farmer ain't letting nothing stop him, you know. So these pigs is going to the market, and we're gonna have some bacon out here, and then, you know, just stay tuned. You're gonna see them getting out and on their last little walk, and just stay tuned. On the ride. So baby, what would you say as, like, how would you feel about the whole process today? Because, like, when you woke up this morning, seeing everything play by play, what do you think about that?
It's a good, for me, you know, I know we are pig farmers, but I try not to get attached to the animals. So I have to kind of give my little prayers and my little goodbyes. I like to sing a song and stuff to the pigs. But as far as the process, you know, it was pretty easy getting the pigs in. You know, James been doing it for a long time, so he knows, you know, kind of have been teaching me the ropes on how to work with the pigs. So as far as getting them in the cage, it was pretty easy. This is my first time actually going to the actual processing plant. So we'll keep you guys updated as the journey continues.
We arrived at our destination. So I gotta back this trailer up into this little chute, and we're gonna load the pigs right on in there. And this time, this ain't the first time this ever happened, but we got a little baby one in there that we have to take back to the house. Because he wanted to hop his little behind in there. But it's all to the good, you know what I mean? He's going to see how his future looks so bright for so many people right now. So let me get these guys outside and give my good farewells. And next time we see these pigs, they're going to be on somebody's plate or ready to go in the freezer to put on a plate. So that's how it is. Seekret Garden Family Farm, LLC, James Smalls, the one and only Rockstar Farmer. We sit out here and we raise pigs, man. We got the whole farm thing going on. So I'm gonna go say my goodbyes and my saludos and hasta luego. That's the, you know, the next time. Oh, but the guys is outside. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I got it nice.
Mountain always felt so pretty. No one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. part of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always will. From the day we met, I will be with you. The first time you said that you love me too. Best without you, I'm hollowed out. So I packed my things and we moved down south. Shared a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but it's what it's all about.
Alright, so yeah, y'all, we done loaded up the pigs. It was an eventful day. I'm grateful. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Gaia. Thank you, everything. Thank you, Williamsburg Traffic. The people right here who process our meat. They're located here right here in King Street, South Carolina. Like I said, it's about an hour and 20 minutes away from where the Seekret Garden is located. Once you get the pigs here, you fill out one of these cut sheets. This cut sheet will be how you figure out how you want your meat. And they'll give you a number. Like I brought 2 hogs in here today, so it's 2 hogs, the number 18, and I fill this out and they'll have all of the information ready for what pigs, how you want to process, whether you want chops, how you want your chops, whether whole loin, center cut, thickness, salted, you know, it got the whole thing right there. And so that's how we do it at the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC. We stand by what we got. Y'all can do the same thing. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC in Walterboro. The one and only Rockstar Farmer. Signing out.